Students, in previous online session, already we are completing with properties of union of sets. Now let's start with new topic, that is number of elements in a set. So open your textbook, page number 14. See number of elements of a set. I will explain this concept. Suppose we'll take one example. That is, suppose set A is equal to set. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number of elements of a set means you have to count the number of elements in the set and then write it down. So how many elements are there? Therefore, number of elements of set A is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of elements are 6, and number of elements, in short, it is denoted by n of A, that is equal to 6. N of A means, in short, we can read this number of elements in a set. Understood all of you? Okay, suppose we'll take one more example. Second example, suppose we'll take set B is equal to set 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, here 13, and suppose 15. So what is n of B? N of B means number of elements in set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n of B is equal to 7. So all of you understood what is meant by number of elements in a set? That is, you have to count the number of elements for the given set. Okay, and number of elements of a set, now another name for that is cardinal number. That is cardinal number of a set, or simply number of elements in a set. So very simple. Now see, very important property about this number of elements of a set. Already intersection and union of set we have studied in previous lecture. So what is that property? You have to remember, because you have to use this property to solve the examples. So that property is n of A union B is equal to, means number of elements in the set A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. Again see properly. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Because you have to use this property to solve the examples. Okay? Means here first you have to count the number of elements of A union B, then n of A, n of B, and then n of A intersection B. Okay? Now based on the same property, we have practice set 1.4. So open your textbook, page number 16. See practice set 1.4. See practice set 1.4, question number 1. Open your textbook, page number 16, practice set 1.4, question number 1. So what is given in question number 1? That is, n of A is equal to 15. Next, n of A union B is equal to 29. Next, n of A intersection B is equal to 7. Then you have to find the value of n of B. So how to solve this example? You have to use the same property which we have studied now. So we have property or formula. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Understood? Okay, now put the values whatever given. So n of A union B is given, that is 29, is equal to n of A is given 15 plus n of B you have to find. So you write as it is, that is n of B, minus n of A intersection B is given, that is 7. Okay, means you have to calculate the value of n of B. So all these number will take to this side by transposition method. So what you get? 29 minus 15. Here This minus 7 becomes plus 7, that is equal to n of b. Okay, so 29 minus 15 plus 7. You have to do this addition and subtraction. So 29 minus 15. What answer you get here? 29 minus 15. If you not understood horizontal, do it like that. No problem. I know that you are in 9th standard, but you do horizontal, vertical addition and subtraction. So 9 minus 5, 4, and 2 minus 1 here. Okay. So otherwise, you can do directly also. So 14 plus 7 is equal to n of b. So 14 plus 7, that is 21, is equal to n of b. Means what answer you get here? N of b is equal to 21. So understood all of you? If out of all four values, if any one value is not given, we use this formula and we will get the value. So same way, question number 2, you have to solve by using this formula only. Only question number 3 and 4, that is omitted from the syllabus as per the government rule, only for this year. That is third and fourth question is omitted for this year. Now see question number 5 of the same exercise, that is practice set 1.4. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets. So already Venn diagram is given and you have to write the elements of the given set. So A. So which are the elements of the set A? From Venn diagram, you have to see the Venn diagram and then you have to write the elements. So I am not going to draw the Venn diagram on board. You see in your textbook, page number 16. So the elements of A are, which are the elements of A? That is question number 5 of same exercise. You have to write the answer like this. A is equal to the elements X, Y, Z, and two more elements are there, that is M and N. Curly bracket close. In this way, you have to write all the elements of the given set. A union B, universal set, A complement, B complement, A union B complement. So complete question number 2 and 5 in classwork. Write down all these, whatever I have explained now, that in classwork, and in next online session, we will start with the problem set 1. Thank you.